Are you tired of your dog barking at literally everything? Your mailman, the squirrel, even a leaf blowing by? You're not alone. Millions of dog owners face this exact challenge. But what if I told you that you don't have to live with the endless noise? Today, we're diving into some game-changing tips from the ultimate guide, how to get your dog to stop barking, that can bring peace back to your home starting right now. First, let's get real about barking. Most people think their dog is just being a nuisance, right? But here's the thing, barking is how dogs communicate. It's their way of saying, hey, something's up, or I'm bored, or I'm scared. Imagine if you couldn't use words and had to shout to get your point across. That's often what our dogs are doing. The first, most crucial step, right out of the gates, is understanding why your dog barks. Is it boredom, loneliness, fear, excitement, separation anxiety, a loud noise outside? Think of it like this. You wouldn't give a headache pill for a broken leg. You need to know the cause to fix it. My friend Sarah thought her poodle Pip just loved to complain. Turns out Pip was barking at the window because he was anxious about other dogs walking by. Once Sarah blocked the view, the barking dramatically reduced. This single insight is gold, because if you don't know the root, you're just putting a band-aid on a gushing wound. Once you know the why, you can start to tackle the how. One of the top tips from how to get your dog to stop barking focuses on management and training. If your dog barks at the window, like Pip, try blocking their view with frosted film or curtains. If they bark when you leave, that's often separation anxiety, and that needs a different approach, one that builds their confidence in being alone. If they bark out of boredom, well, that's an easy fix. More walks, more puzzle toys, more playtime. A tired dog is a quiet dog. It's like us after a long day. We just want to chill, not yell at everyone. Another powerful technique is teaching an enough or quiet command. This doesn't mean you want your dog to never bark. That's unrealistic and unhealthy. You want them to bark to alert you and then stop when you ask. Here's how it works. When your dog starts barking at something, let them bark a few times, then approach them calmly, show them a high-value treat, say quiet, and when they stop barking for even a second to sniff the treat, reward them immediately. The moment they're quiet, they get the treat and praise, repeat, repeat, repeat. Over time, they'll learn that quiet means stop barking for a reward. It's like teaching a kid to say please. You're giving them an acceptable way to stop. The biggest challenge people face is consistency. You can't train for 5 minutes and expect a miracle. This is where many owners get frustrated and give up. Imagine trying to learn a new language by only studying once a week. You wouldn't get very far, right? Dog training is the same. Every family member needs to be on board and use the same commands and rewards. Inconsistency is a dog's worst enemy because it confuses them and undoes all your hard work. The key moment in this whole process is when you see your dog choose to be quiet because they understand what you're asking. That's when the light bulb goes off for both of you. So, to wrap this up, stopping excessive barking boils down to 3 core principles. First, identify the reason for the barking. Second, manage the environment and fulfill their needs. And third, consistently train a quiet command, rewarding silence. It's not about magic, it's about understanding, patience, and clear communication. If you're ready to dive deeper and get more personalised help to finally enjoy a peaceful home with your dog, click the link in the description for a free dog training workshop designed for all owners.